Now we're going to demonstrate the Park Pilot Assist's ability to parallel park the car. Swipe the screen over, just hit the park in, and then just pull along the cars that are next to you. The car's now looking for that open spot. It's found a slot. Now we're just going to keep pulling forward until it tells us to stop. Put the car into reverse. And now I'm just going to control the speed of the car while it does all the steering. So I'm just looking all around, making sure that there's no pedestrians or everything is nice and clear while the car backs us into the spot. And just follow the little blue line as it descends there. When it goes all the way down, that means stop. Put the car in the next gear, so we'll go forward now. And now back into reverse. There you have it, parallel parking with Park Pilot Assist, courtesy of Volvo.